Okay folks, Rick here. I bought some edge tamers and extenders from R2 Manufacturing. Great service from them. The order went out, I think within 24 hours of my order, or the shipment went out within 24 hours of my order, and I received the products probably about 48 hours after that, if that much. So we'll put the edge tamers on my bucket, and it's real simple. 1 3/4 inch bolt. They slide on. You tighten the bolt down, and you're done. And the extenders have 1 small bolt. Put those on, and that's done. So we'll put them on. All right. So this is the box it came in. They are heavy. They weigh quite a bit. So I've opened it up. Taking a quick look at them. All wrapped up individually. Here's one of the extenders. Taking a look at these. So you pull the little yellow plug out of there. The nuts in the bolt are inside the, you can hear it rattling around, inside the extender. And you just bolt it onto the edge tamer. Here's one of the edge tamers. Nice and heavy. This should work well. 1 bolt, 3/4 inch. Loosen that up, slides onto the bucket, tighten it down, and you're ready to go. So I'll get my tools and then we'll put them on. Okay, so simple as sliding it on. I'm doing this one-handed, so bear with me. Tighten her down. That one's done. That one's on. Same thing on the other side. That one's done. A little crooked, but I'm not going to leave them on for long because I've got to clear some snow. But that's how they go on. Very simple. Well, while I'm at it, since I showed you the extenders, I'll throw one on, show you how quick it is. You got to pull the little yellow plug out of here, and the nut bolts are there. Gotta pop this little black thing out of there, drop this into place. Let's see if I can set this camera down. Well, that was a little hard to do one-handed, hold the camera and hold everything and put the bolt in, but it only takes a few seconds. And as you can see, well, I'm not sure what size that is. I haven't gotten the tools out for it. I don't want to tighten it down because I've got to do the snow clearing, so I'm going to be taking it right back off. But that's goes on that easy, just that 1 bolt, and there it is. I'll take it back off, put it away. Well, this is a lot of fun one-handed. So we'll try clearing some snow and see how the edge tamers work. I'll try it on the lawn first and see what it does there. Woo! So I don't have a camera assistant today, so it's kind of hard to do the camera work and do the tractor work. But you can see, even at having the bucket angled, the cutting edge doesn't touch the ground. It worked really fine. You can see where I was working, it didn't dig up the lawn at all. So it worked well. I want to take them off because I need to get into that snowbank and move that away from the barn here. And then I've got to go down there and move the snow away from the house there. Fortunately, this has been a real mild winter, so I don't have a lot of snow piled up. Usually, that snow is piled up to the eaves on the house there, and well, up to not quite the eaves on the barn, but maybe the top of the beat up old doors there. So this will be a pretty quick job this year, but I'll take the edge tamers off for this job because I want to dig into this snow. This is all packed down from falling off the roofs, from freezing. So I gotta move it from here over to here, and that's why I keep this clear, so I have room to move the tractor around. I can get from there over to there. So I hope I apologize for the poor camera work today. I probably should have used a different camera, but those are the edge tamers. I'm real happy with them. I'm hoping to get the tooth bars in soon. Just recently put the suicide knob on the steering wheel. That helps a lot. The trick is remembering that it's there. So I gotta train myself to remember that it's there. I think that's it. So if I get the tooth bar, I'll do a video of that. Thanks for watching.